Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. We are going to start chapter number 10 for Civil 3D, which will about the creating cross section for the design in AutoCAD Civil 3D. So what we learn in this chapter and what is our first exercise we will see in this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel Civil 3D Pro Designer, you please subscribe, and you can also get access from my Facebook page Civil 3D Pro Designer to get many more materials about land surveying and Civil 3D. So we are going to do first exercise for chapter number 10. It will about using the sections editor. So it's the one of the requirement of our project designing to process and the ability to visualize the design in many different ways. That's why we take cross sections, as we have profile, but it's not able to give us much detail. That's why we use cross sections. So the first exercise of chapter number 10 is that how we can using the section editor for our alignment. So I will not waste your time. I have already opened this drawing. Step number 1, you need to open this drawing using section editor. You will get this drawing from the description. Like here we have 3 viewports, same like previous exercise. Step number 2, in the left viewport click one here, left one, sorry, we have this one, and click one of the blue corridor. Here we have corridor which we was created in the previous chapter. Once we will click, it will select our corridor. Now click in your right viewport, this one, upper right viewport, and then click section editor on the ribbon. Here you will see some commands related to your corridor on contextual tab, and you will see here section editor. You need to click. So this tab will work for you as a section editor because we will select this viewport. Now it's showing the upper right viewport changes to a display cross section of the corridor at the location we picked before here in the corridor. Okay, so we are looking this location on in our this viewport as a section. You can zoom in and out. So step number 3, in the left viewport here, zoom out until you can see the plan view of the site as well as the Jordan code profile. So you need to zoom out. You can see everything now. On the ribbon, click go to the next station. Here select a station, you can click here, so it will give you next station. Okay, now we are 0 plus 005, so you can browse any other station to see the detail for your alignment. Go to the next station icon to advance to the next corridor section. Continue advancing to view several different corridor sections which you can use with this button. Step number 4, on the ribbon, expand the list, select a station. Here we can expand this list and we can select any station according to our requirement. Now we need to select here 0 plus 0.5. If you are working in meter, yes, we are working in meter, we will select that 0 plus 0.5. So it will show you the cross section of 0 plus 0.5 station. Zoom into the section view and note the digits. Here we have digits and they are omitted. Now we make this change in the next few steps. Step number 5, click the perimeter editor on the ribbon. Here you can see perimeter editor. This will open corridor perimeter window. You can see here. Step number 6, in the corridor perimeter window, scroll down to the left daylight. Left daylight you need to found here. You can make it a little bigger to see everything here. Left daylight, here we have left daylight. When you will select anything here, it will show you in this window. So you need to change the value of the back slope width. Back slope width we have here for, so we need to change the width of back slope to 0. Back slope width. So we have changed this one, and now repeat same for the right daylight assembly slope. It was back slope for back slope width for left, and now we need to change for the right. Here we have right daylight. You need to find them and you can make it 0. Okay. Now step number 7, click close on the ribbon to close the section editor. Here you need to close and return to the drawing to its normal state. If you zoom in your drawing here on viewport, now you will notice that the digits has been omitted for 2 sides, but only at the one location in the corridor. So we need to apply these changes across a number of corridor sections. Step number 8, click one of the blue corridor line again here in left viewport. It will show you contextual tab. Click in the upper right viewport, then click section selection, then section editor on the ribbon. Now we need to select the section 0 plus 0.5, and then in the step number 10 on the ribbon, click perimeter editor, same like before. Step number 10, on the ribbon, click apply to a station range. Here we have station range. Step number 11, in apply to a range of station dialog box, we will apply a station range. Click the pick button next to start station. Here we can see, pick a point in the left viewport just northwest of the ditches. It will pick up your station according to your drawing. And now step number 12, repeat the previous step for the end station value. We can repeat same procedure. It will select any other station according to your alignments in Civil 3D. Step number 13, click OK to dismiss. The apply station range dialog box will close. And step number 14, click the corridor. You need to close also. Click the corridor and then click rebuild corridor on your contextual tab. It will rebuild your corridor, and it will, you can see now we have omitted our ditches. Step number 15, save your drawing and close. Hope you like this video, and if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest notification about Civil 3D videos.